Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Subaru WRX, stock reference number 5411. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2014 through to the 10th month 2021. It has an FA20F 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. FA20F 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, or headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, boot lid appears to have no damage, right tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt, both right hand doors and guard appear to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated control, single zone type, single stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.